Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar posted its largest one-day drop in over a month on Tuesday after the White House issued threats toward Europe over the future of Greenland. That sparked renewed market anxiety and triggered a synchronized sell-off across US equities, treasuries, and the dollar, echoing the Sell America trade seen last April. The dollar index fell as much as 0.7% to 98.26, its sharpest decline since mid-December. WTI crude rebounded to around $60.6 on Wednesday after Donald Trump said the US aims to gain control of Greenland through negotiation rather than force easing immediate geopolitical fears. Prices had earlier dropped about 1.5%, driven by renewed Greenland tensions and fresh tariff threats toward Europe, which raised concerns over trade friction and weaker global demand. Sentiment improved after Trump's remarks in Davos, although US-EU relations remain strained and trade talks are frozen. Spot gold surged to a fresh record for the third time this week, trading near $4,888 in early Wednesday Asia, after hitting $4,766 on Tuesday. Prices are now eyeing the $5,000 mark as investors react to renewed US tariff threats toward Europe linked to Greenland, which intensified safe haven demand. Wall Street equities slid to near three-week lows, reinforcing gold's appeal. A sharply weaker dollar further boosted demand by making gold cheaper for overseas buyers. Yen held near 158 on Wednesday, but downside pressure is building after Japanese Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi proposed cutting the 8% food consumption tax, raising uncertainty over how lost revenue would be replaced. Earlier this week, Takaichi announced plans to dissolve Parliament on Friday and hold a snap election on February 8 to secure backing for her fiscal agenda. Investors are also watching the Bank of Japan policy meeting later this week, where rates are expected to remain unchanged after December's hike. The euro is consolidating below 1.17, supported by stronger than expected German data and ongoing geopolitical pressure on the dollar. Germany's ZEW Economic Sentiment Index jumped to 59.6 inches January, its highest level since July 2021, well above expectations and signaling optimism for a 2026 recovery despite US trade uncertainty. The dollar weakened after President Donald Trump renewed tariff threats, warning of 10% duties on multiple European countries to pressure Denmark over Greenland.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.